Oh, there's a couple of herons over there in the field. I don't know if you can see them. One to the right there, and there's two a bit further on to the left.
Welcome to Footsteps and Tyretracks, and we are Mark and V. We love exploring, and this is our amazing adventure to the beautiful island of Bali.
I won't make it easy.
Well, good morning, and woke up to a bit of a wet morning. It was dry earlier on. We were looking out over the volcanoes. They're really great. I don't know if you can still see them. No. Unfortunately, the rain clouds have covered them completely at the moment. Hopefully this is just a shower. You know, the rain we've had in previous days has been quite heavy. This is just like quite a drizzly bit. So we're going to have a little bit of breakfast, and I think we're going to wander up the Royal Palace today, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah, so we're going to wander up the Royal Palace. It's something I've always wanted to do, and it's always been so busy. So I'm hoping...
Found it a few times.
Yeah, we walked around it.
Outside.
The outside, yeah. I'd like to just go inside and have a look, though. There we are, very simple breakfast this morning. Fried eggs and toast. Coffee and banana milkshake, which is the best bit. V's got scrambled eggs. So we're in Ubud, and we've now come to the Ubud Palace. Very, very quiet. There's no one here, is there? It is quite stunning, isn't it? I'll keep on using that word when we come into places, but it is. You know, the attention to detail.
So what can I tell you about the Ubud Palace? Well, it was the official residence of the royal family of Ubud. Most of the structures were built after the 1917 earthquake, and the local royal family still live here. Officially, the royal palace is known as Puri Sereng Agung. Traditional Balinese dance performances can be seen most evenings as well in the courtyard. This is the Royal Palace in Ubud, and it truly is magnificent. Its architecture is absolutely amazing. And, you can almost walk past and miss it if you're in Ubud. And I highly recommend you come in and have a look around. Just waste an hour and then just enjoy it. It's lovely. It really is great. Those of you who remember the market, that's what it looks like now. It's all been knocked down. I'm not really sure what's going on up there. But I believe the market's been relocated. No, thank you. You think about these puppets. V seems to think that they're gonna freak her.
Yeah, but I think they freak you out.
Do you think they're actually watching us?
Yeah.
When we turn our back, they're gonna move. I mean, she's looking at us. Oh no. Waiting for her to move.
The big size, 900,000.
900.
If you like, but it's long, bigger.
Yeah. Oh, there's more of these dolls here, look. So we're now walking down Jalan Hanuman, I think you pronounce it. I'm probably wrong because I get everything wrong when I pronounce them, but you know where I am anyway if you know the area. All the sewage obviously runs below the pavement, and some of it's quite rocky. Many years ago in Kuta they were digging them all up, and the amount of people that actually fell down them, there you can see this one here, look. I don't know how stable that is, that's quite stable. But some of them are quite rocky, and in the evenings back in Kuta, back when they were doing it there, people were falling down. Hello, good morning, how are you?
I'm fine, how about you?
Very well, thank you.
Nice to meet you.
And nice to meet you too. Yeah. That's very nice actually. Are they wood or stone?
Stone.
Oh, that is nice.
It is handmade, special making by Balinese people. So, make by love. Thank you so much. You take my photo. You are a YouTuber?
YouTuber, yes,
Yeah,
yes.
for you, YouTube.
Thank you very much.
Maybe I can see your YouTube.
Yes, of course, we can give you a sticker.
Of course. This shop is called Danawardi. So Danawardi is located at Anoman Street, number 10, Padang Tegal, Ubud, Gianyar, Bali. So here we have a lot of the collection from Balinese art, like furniture, like handicrafts or something else. We have aromatherapy incense too, aromatherapy oil. So if you are coming to Bali, so don't forget to come to my shop, and then I will see you soon. Yeah, good luck for you everyone. I wish you always be happy, and then see you in Bali. Thank you so much for coming here. I wish you always be happy to see our stuff. Where do you come from?
England.
England. When
Yeah.
did you come to Bali?
We've been here 3 weeks now.
3 weeks already.
3 weeks. Got about another 11 days left.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I wish you always be happy. How was your day in Bali?
Oh, we love it.
Yes.
We love Bali.
Thank you so much.
And I have to film one of these because this is just like a side shot on the street, and you can pull up and get your fuel.
They wind it up, don't they, to get the pressure?
Yeah, wind it up to get the pressure. That's your fuel station out here. There are proper ones, but this is, you know, intermediate. And like I said previously, you can buy bottles of fuel as well. And I'll show you that again sometime. I'm sure we're going to see it. When you're walking down these streets, you just got to open your eyes a little bit because there's loads to see. Sometimes it's hidden in plain sight. You know, you might walk down these streets and not even notice it because you're just walking to go somewhere. Take your time and you'll see lots. So we're now turning left on Jalan Jemboan. I probably got that wrong as well. You sure it's not Jalan Jemboan?
No, Jambowan.
Jemboan.
So you've got to go across 2 streets and then up.
In
Well,
one.
Go up the next one or go up the one after.
In
Yeah, it's
two.
not funny. It's not funny.
And Bali's got a lovely price. Obviously today we're just walking around Ubud, just looking. It's a very noticeable lack of bars as well, and lots of coffee shops, very few bars. I suppose lots of people want coffee shops these days. We're more of a bar person type people, aren't we? And there's more of your petrol pumps. There you are, Jalan Jemboan. How much is that? Bowls, 100 and the bowls are 19 each. Okay, let's have that one. How cool are they? I like that one. Put my one from the desk.
Yeah, they make like paperweights for a desk. Yeah. Good having that. Mary Rose, London.
How much is that one?
199.
Yeah. Oh. I want something that's going to stand out on me shelf or something, you know? It's going to have to be in it. Appreciate it.
That's
Yeah.
the one I like. All in all of them. Much nicer. Well, I like this one's nice. Oh, comes in a case though.
Oh.
549 if you have a case.
Yeah. We came along here this morning and there was nothing. And it seems like the market has actually relocated itself just outside. I was under the impression that they'd relocated elsewhere. Maybe some parts have, but yeah, there's a lot along here, but everything looks very grubby because they're working because they're working, because they're selling outside a building site. It's quite dirty, and everything's got a little bit of a tinge, and you know, it looks a bit shabby. When the market traders down, or market traders, you know, the sellers down in Kuta, then off Poppies, the stuff and off Garlic Lane, the stuff looks so much fresher, new, and designs that are new down there as well. This all looks a bit same old, same old. It depends what you're looking for, really, I suppose. You know, there's no doubt these people are probably finding it really, really hard. There are some tourists around though. Whether they're, you know, long-term people living here, you know, there's a bit of money to be spent, and there are definitely a few people here that look to me like they're on holiday. But when you think of how many Western tourists we saw when we were up north, you know, we weren't, you know, went a day and didn't see anybody. You know, you're seeing someone every sort of couple hundred paces now.
No, thank you.
Now, if you look behind me, you have the desperation side of it. He's decided to run after us. We'll turn around now. You feel sorry for it, but you can't give everybody money. Now that is cool, isn't it? That is so brilliant. Is that camper? No. If it's not a camper, that would make a brilliant camper. I think it's a food truck actually. Another hidden little gem. Like I keep on saying, just keep your eyes open. They're everywhere. Hello there, how are you? Well, I hope you enjoyed our first day in Ubud. We certainly did, we had a great time. In the next video we walk the Campanam Ridge and we go to the monkey forest end of Ubud, and something really funny happened. We were sat having some food and Via just bought a painting at a shop and a monkey stole it. You've got to watch it just to see it. Anyway guys, thanks for watching this video, and if you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and maybe even consider subscribing to the channel. We really appreciate every single one of you. See you in the next video guys. Take it easy. Bye.
It was her thing, fight with the winds, fight till the morning sun.